Hello, everybody out there. This is Utsup Singh from SmartTech, and today, welcome back to the part 3 of the Frontend Web Development series. So, what I'm going to explain to you today is a very important concept that is block level elements and an inline element. And it's rather simple. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open my Visual Studio Code. Alright, so it's open now. Block level element, these are a kind of elements. So elements are these tags basically, right? So a block level element is an element that takes up its own line. So best example is to show you an example. Hello world. Now there are two things to note. Image the img tag is an inline element. That is, it does not take in line of its own. It will accommodate to whatever space it has. I mean, it will occupy its own space, but it won't push other elements that can squeeze into the other space left to the next line. All right. So image is an inline element, while p, the paragraph tag, is in block level element. So let's see what happens. Um, Open this up now. What should have happened according to you? Um, First reaction would be hello world is okay, it's here because it's meant to occupy its own line, right? So let's just say I added an anchor tag here. So let's see. Most people would think that anchor tag should appear here as well. It's an inline element, alright? So anchor tag is an inline element. Keep that in mind. So refresh that. But hey, it has been pushed to a new line. Why is that? Even though it's an inline element, it is not pushing other elements away from it. But what is happening that the block level element says that I want to occupy a line of my own. So it is saying, hey, the image tag, it is pushing away from it, and it is pushing all the other elements, whether they be block or inline, doesn't matter. It will push it away to it will push that element to the next line. Alright, so it will occupy a whole line of its own. So let's try hello world, and I will stack it to the side just to be clear. Right, so hello world, it still occupies its own new line. Now let's try that with an anchor tag. Let's see. Wait, that's in the same line. That's what inline elements are all about. They stay in the same line, while block level elements occupy their own line. Now, image is an inline tag, right? So, what happens if I copy this and paste this here, or better, here? As you can see, it's in the same line. You know what? Let's flood this place with anchor tags. Now, here, anchor tags, block level anchor tags, and an anchor. These anchor image tags are inline elements, while this is a block level element. So it's a main part in properly structuring your website. All right. So the next thing is I actually wanted to do a container tag video first, but it used this, let's just say basic knowledge. It required this basic knowledge to understand properly. So I decided to explain this first. Okay, so if you want a list of the tags that are inline and block level, well, here you go. Inline and block level elements, and what you want to do, add MDN, Mozilla Developer Network. So block level elements and inline elements. Open it up. Um, Here's a list of inline elements. Not a lot of them actually. Label, input, anchor, iframe, image, script, text area, video. That's most of the important ones. BR and button are also important. Okay, so what's next? The block level. Block level elements as well, as you can see. Header, form, footer, figure, list element. list item actually, and some of the other stuff. This one is a very important one, and similarly, this should have something called span, I guess. Yes, they have explained it here, and it's also explained in the next one. Right. So that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. I actually wanted to make it quicker because last time was a 21-minute video and I didn't even realize it. Sorry for that. But um, it discusses the starting of the. I have started discussing the stuff like anchor tags and attributes. So make sure to check it out, and we'll hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this, press the like button, and if you want to keep yourself updated about the new videos that are coming up soon, and then just press that big red subscribe button and ring that bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.